Well, my friends, I have repeatedly told about the varicose vein, the formation of varicose vein, how the varicose vein forms, and also about varicose ulcer. Varicose vein, one of the most important causes is prolonged standing, and there may be also other causes. The initial symptoms are obstructions of the venous blood flow, causes swelling and tortuous condition of the veins. It appears mostly in lower part of the legs, or sometimes upper part of the leg and also in thighs. In some cases may appear in abdomen too. Sometimes it is painful, itching, burning, etc. symptoms are there, but very soon the varicose veins turns into varicose eczema, and varicose eczema to varicose ulcer. This is the gentleman has been suffering from varicose veins of lower legs, now converted to varicose eczema, the prior stage of varicose ulcer. He has come from the Uttarakhand, Nainital, for improving his varicose veins. Now, the symptomatology, extremes of temperature affects him. Heat correlation, both extreme. Itching, there is itching, and itching aggravates at night. Itching aggravates at night. The tongue is salivated and indented. The tongue is very much indented, and salivated. So our prescription differs from individual to individual. This is the common criteria, and this patient naturally requires mercurius. The tongue of mercurius is characteristically found in this patient. Itching aggravates at night, and extremes of temperature aggravates him. That means aggravates from both heat and cold. So I do like to prescribe mercurius 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In every prescription, in every video, I am constantly telling about the potencies of the patient. I am showing the name of the patient. The potencies have been clearly mentioned. I am always clearly mentioning about the potencies. In spite of that, some persons are repeatedly claiming you have not told potency. They are the lay persons. They are the ignored homeopaths. So my videos, cases are not for the ignorant homeopaths, nor for the ignorant persons of the society. From this time and onwards, I do like to tell everything in English language, because what I have observed, some unwanted ailments of the local language disturbs and badly comments in my videos. So if I say about it in English, they will be far away from their ignorancy and low education. So let's just start telling all videos in English to remove bad elements of our Bengali society.